Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link a button to another page in Figma. This process is fundamental for creating interactive prototypes that simulate real user journeys. You will learn to transform static designs into dynamic experiences, making your wireframes and mock-ups come to life. We will cover the essential steps to connect different parts of your Figma project, ensuring a smooth and engaging user flow. Let's get started with building clickable prototypes. First, open your Figma project and locate the button or element you want to make clickable. Once selected, navigate to the right-hand sidebar and click on the Prototype tab. This action enables the prototyping tools. You will notice a small blue circle appear on the right side of your selected button. This blue circle is your connection node, ready to initiate an interaction. Now, click and drag the blue connection node from your button to the target frame or page you want it to link to. After releasing, an interaction details panel will appear. Here, you will define the trigger, such as on-click for a tap, and the action, typically navigate to. For a polished look, choose an animation like Smart Animate to create a smooth transition between your frames, often with a duration of 300 milliseconds. To see your linked button in action, click the present button, which looks like a play icon, located in the top right corner of your Figma interface. This will open your prototype in a new tab, allowing you to interact with it. Click your newly linked button to ensure it navigates correctly to the intended page. If adjustments are needed, simply return to the design canvas and refine your interaction settings or animation choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.